One of the biggest complaints and things that you hear all the time about driving an older Mercedes is they're ruthlessly dependable, but all the little things fail. And so as you may have noticed in some of my videos recently, I've been tackling some of those little nagging problems, just the things that just make it a little bit less enjoyable to ride around in. So things like the radio, the AC, things along those lines that the car still runs, gets you from A to B, but it doesn't feel like a nice luxury car that a Mercedes should be. So today, I've got one more little tidbit of something that we're going to fix up. The issue at hand is right here, our sun visors. You look at these sun visors and this mirror, it's just like this stuff doesn't come off. It's in there. It's nasty. And the whole sun visor is crunchy and like bloated and just doesn't feel good. The clips aren't there, so they're just kind of free to go where they want. It's hard. You have to use your whole hand. You can't just, flip it back up. So here's what I've got. 2 brand new sun visors. Look at this. Can you hear that? It's not all crunchy. So basically installing these is real simple. We've got 2 screws over here, which we're gonna have to kind of wiggle this thing around to get to that front one. So 1 screw up here, 1 back here, and this old visor will just drop right out of the car and we'll just screw the new one in. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, as far as our clip goes, we've got the new clips here, and they just sit up in and you put a screw in the middle. So let me put that in quick. Take a look at that. I'm having to kind of keep you out of the light a little bit, but look at how nice this fits. And then this just pops right into here, folds up in, and look at that. It's actually up above flush. And look at mine over here. Look at how good that looks. Look at them both. They just fit up in there. You can just pull them down. Oh, it popped out of the clip. This one doesn't seem to snap up in quite as nice as that one does, but that's okay. It still fits in there real nice. It's up flush with the headliner. Looks incredible. I am very impressed. Just this one little thing kind of transforms the interior of their car a little bit. Let me know what you think down in the comments, because I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed. No more crunchy headliners, no more saggy, nasty things without the clips. Now you can 3D print those clips. That is an option, but you can't 3D print new headliners, or not headliners. I keep saying that. You can't 3D print new sun visors. You can 3D print the clips that hold them in place, which is a great option if your sun visors are still in decent shape, not all swollen and crunchy like mine. On that note, if you want some, check the description, and there will be a link where you can buy new sun visors, not headliners, sun visors for your car. Thanks for watching.